two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.